Hello, IG Garage family. Have you been struggling with the P0358 error code? If your car is misfiring or running rough, this code could be the culprit. Stick with me as we break down what this code means, show you the exact location of the ignition coil that's causing the problem, and provide actionable steps to fix it. Plus, I'll suggest 2 more videos at the end to help you dive deeper into related issues. Let's get into it. The P0358 code stands for Ignition Coil H primary-secondary circuit malfunction. This indicates a problem with the 8th ignition coil or its circuit. The ECM is either not receiving the correct signal from the coil or detecting an issue in the circuit. But where is this ignition coil located? The exact location depends on your engine configuration. For inline engines, you'll find the coils arranged sequentially along the top of the engine, usually near the spark plugs. The 8th coil will be on the 8th cylinder. For V-type engines, the coils are split between the 2 sides of the engine block. Refer to the firing order to locate cylinder 8. In most cases, the ignition coil is mounted directly above the spark plug, connected by a wiring harness. Common causes of the P0358 code include a faulty ignition coil, damaged or corroded wiring in the ignition coil circuit, a bad spark plug in cylinder 8, issues with the ECM, although rare. How to fix it? Start by inspecting the ignition coil and its wiring. Look for loose connections, corrosion, or frayed wires. Test the coil using a multimeter or swap it with another cylinder to see if the issue follows the coil. If it does, replace it. Check and replace the spark plug for cylinder 8 if needed. If the problem persists, have the ECM tested by a professional. After making the necessary repairs, clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and take the car for a test drive to ensure the issue is resolved. That's all for today, IG Garage family. The P0358 code can seem intimidating, but with this guide, you can tackle it like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car repair tips. Also, check out these 2 related videos. P0235, turbocharger boost sensor A circuit malfunction. P0017, crankshaft position, camshaft position correlation. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.